They made amazing staircases. The last time I was visiting here, they were rotting here and there, so they made renewals for some of the bridges and for some of the staircases. And check this, one of my favorite kind of ridge, small ridge beside the waterfall area, and the waterfall is behind Mathew there. Mathew is already making video. I'm just not being too fast. I want to keep the surprise for the bigger waterfall. Well, we climbed quite some denivellation of it, and very soon we will be on the balcony, and here is the waterfall, folks.